Now we need to make the logout functionality. So for that we need to create a logout method. So create it logout. So again, you know it will be a sync function, and you know the reason why. So again, try catch the error, and if the user is login, he will have the session. So the logout logic is very clear. We just need to delete this session. So let's see how we will do that. We will just make a variable x and await it, and we will get the account. Then we will delete the session, and with session we will delete the current session. And after deleting the session, we will go back to the login page. So navigate to login page, and if some error happens, then console.log it error. And so instead of calling the handle logout, we can directly call this logout function, log out. So now test it. So logout, and yeah, we are here. So now again login, we are on the dashboard. So we have created the login, logout and the registration page. So now we have to create the to-do thing, and that will require the database. So in the next video we will see how we can make the to-do list, create a new item in the to-do list and delete it using the Appwrite database. Thank you.